So let's move on to the second portion of this discussion, which is really talking about what is a high-end website, right? And what are some of the problems with going that route? So I'll try to best describe what I see as like the most common scenario when what I would consider a high-end website development. So think about for me, these are like specialized website development companies that really focus narrowly on building websites. They're going to build really beautiful websites with lots of like animation. Often there's video and kind of custom elements that are give you that really like high end feeling when you look at the website and you scroll down and you've got elements kind of like flying in and doing different animation type effects, and you look at it and there's no question that those type of websites are very attractive, right? And there's no question that if you were to go and look at them without knowing any of this other material, and you've got a successful law firm, you're trying to make a splash, you want to show people in your market that you are the high end option, you are the best possible option. It makes complete sense that you would look at that and say, I want that. I want to personify this idea of the highly successful law firm that is putting a lot of time, energy, and money into their image. Now, the company that you would work with to create this might have some SEO experience, but typically what I have seen in my experience is that these companies are mostly comprised of web developers. And there's a big difference between those two things. A web developer is someone who's really just focused on building that website. They use code and imagery and really going to focus on just the visual aspect of that website. Whereas somebody with SEO experience is going to be more focused on what that web page communicates to Google and other search engines. So it's a very different type of experience because Google, the way they function, to get a better understanding of your website and your presence online, they're sending out crawlers. So this is just automated software. It's not a person. So what they're looking for are really more of the things that are not quantified from a eyeball. So it's not really, they're not looking at how pretty is this website, things like that. They're looking at how fast it loads, what content is on the page, what elements are on the page, what do they say, what do they not say, all those sorts of things. And so it's really two different mentalities when coming up with what is a good website page or a good website in general.